good friend. Did you know that Stone Cold was injured that badly?
Well, yes, I did.
Somebody say something.
But how the hell did Bischoff get those records?
How do I know?
Confidential or personal?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making its way to the ring from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 265 pounds and being accompanied by Ric Flair, the World Heavyweight Champion, Triple H.
Indeed, the World Heavyweight Championship still around the chiseled waist of the game. And what a battle he had at WrestleMania against Booker T. My hat's off to Booker T. It was an uphill fight. Booker T with a bad leg, thanks to the game, the Indian Deathlock, Ric Flair involved. Speaking of Triple H, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to be in Worcester, Mass this Saturday when tickets go on sale for our next pay-per-view offering, Backlash. And King, I understand that Goldberg will also be a part of Backlash.
Goldberg is going to be in Backlash. Goldberg's in the WWE. Would you believe it, JR? Who'd have thought it, huh?
The tickets go on sale this Saturday in Worcester.
There's some argument that tonight should be Triple H Appreciation Night as well. I mean, that was a huge victory over Booker T last night at WrestleMania.
It was a huge victory. I have not heard that particular groundswell, but in any event,
What, Triple H Appreciation Night?
I haven't heard that.
Nate was talking about it earlier. Said maybe this would be good night.
Well, the 54,097 that joined us at WrestleMania, setting a new St. Field record, saw Triple H and Booker T get it on, but this could be right here a most interesting matchup, and I'll tell you why.
And making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Triple H is 44 hours removed from one hell of a battle with Booker T. One hell of a battle.
Right? Oh, that's why this should be interesting?
I'm thinking that Triple H he may take this kid, the Hurricane, lightly, and if Triple H does, we've got a big upset in the making.
I'll tell you something that wasn't light, JR. I'll tell you something that was heavy duty. What about the performance by Limp Bizkit at WrestleMania? And what about the performance of them playing the WrestleMania theme song that we heard earlier at the top of the show? Don't forget, Limp Bizkit CD is available in stores this coming June. Hallelujah. I mean, that's it.
Well, man, awfully happy for the Hurricane. He'll have night, as many of our fans do. What the hell is that? I'll be damned. That won't get over your nose, Flair. I'll tell you that. And look at the Hurricane.
Flair's being assaulted.
And here comes the game. Again, after that battle with Booker T, you got to wonder what kind of shape the game's going to be in. And we're going to see Booker T tonight as well. Take on Chris Jericho. Booker T and Jericho one-on-one tonight. That poor little kid looked like he was scared to death thanks to Ric Flair.
Well, actually, the kid is so ugly should be wearing a mask.
Well, we have seen the Hurricane show his guts and his will to win, but it's going to take, yes, a great effort. And you may be rolling your eyes about the upset. Oh, what a fight by the world's heavyweight champion.
This could be the shortest match on record. Good pinning, Triple H.
But after what, if you saw WrestleMania, folks, and if you did, thank you so much for joining us. If you didn't, shame on you. You know what kind of match Triple H had with Booker T. What an effort by Booker T and what velocity was that Irish whip. I'm just not sure that the game is at the top of his game after that war with Booker T at WrestleMania.
How can you say that? Have you ever seen the game look any better? He's dominating the Hurricane.
I'm not talking about his physique.
Oh, that's finished Ric Flair.
Flair like knife edge chop by Triple H. The cerebral assassin pulled out every stop, every trick in the book, including the age-old Indian Deathlock against Booker T that injured Book's leg last night.
Okay, let's don't live in the past, JR. Let's talk about what's happening now. Hey, wait a minute.
And Hurricane, look out the neckbreaker. Hurricane just took down the world's champion.
He didn't get it good. Get up, Triple H.
Hurricane in the game, both trying to fight to their feet. The Hurricane up first. The right hand is blocked, and a big right hand by the world champion.
I'm actually shocked. If you think that this Hurricane...
Look at this, Hurricane.
Come on, okay.
Well, 2 knockdowns.
Get all excited.
Shining Wizard by the Hurricane. Could be the upset. Oh, that's how close it was. A half a count away from a Hurricane upset over Triple H.
I bet you're wishing this were a title match, weren't you, JR? You wish that the Hurricane could some kind of way pull out some fluke
Hurricane barely got his shoulder up that time.
We'd like to see this Hurricane kid get this. Oh, look at this. Come on, Triple H, get up. You two are going to like Superman.
Look at Flair on the outside. And how can he be parallel that?
He's for Nate. Look out, Nate.
Nate just got drop kicked down by the Hurricane. Nate's brought Triple H some valuable time. Look at Flair. The choke slam by Hurricane. There's a 1, a 2,
No,
a
it's
3,
not either.
a cover.
There's a
He's
2.
got, oh, Flair again.
There you go, Nate.
My God, it's a mugging and Ferguson. Again, a taste of his own medicine.
It is a mugging. How many times is
Can you
Hurricane?
feel the momentum changing here?
How many times is Hurricane going to be allowed to hit?
Hurricane crossbody. Hook the leg. You got it. Yeah. Triple H couldn't even kick out that time. But he got his right shoulder off the canvas. But that's all that mattered.
Come on, Triple H, don't embarrass me like this. That's Hurricane you're in there with. No.
Triple H going downstairs. Oh, look at that.
You know whose fault this is? It's Booker T.
No pedigree.
Oh. It's that WrestleMania match with Booker T that took it out of Triple H.
Hurricane countered the pedigree. Wait a minute.
No way.
You got to be kidding him.
There you go.
And now, oh, Triple
This
H.
is it. Now it's over. Make him fly. Ooh, not a good landing, though.
Hurricane face first into the top turnbuckle from that catapult.
This is it. Oh, no.
That could be it. That could be it there. The cover. Oh, another near fall. That's 4 or 5 near falls by the Hurricane. And the Hurricane almost had the victory for this kid.
Don't worry about it. They don't put near falls in the record book, Triple H. You can still pull this thing out. Boom.
Hurricane out cooking the game on that exchange. Triple H in trouble.
He wasn't faster than the speed bullet that time, was he? Here we go.
Goes the champion.
This is it.
Hook it in.
That'll do to you what Daylight does to Dracula.
The pedigree.
It's all over.
And a victory, and by God, a hard-fought victory.
Here is your winner, Triple H.
Now, folks, you can ask this question yourself. What effect did Booker T have on the game at WrestleMania? My vote is he had a hell of a lot to do with this effort by the game.
Okay, maybe the game wasn't completely on his game, but he was on his game well enough to get the big victory tonight.
And we'll see Booker T and Jericho still to come live on Raw.